As an influencer, I see a lot of products. I'm about to share with you a sales technique that I'd never seen before that sold me like that. And in fact, I'm sitting in a little bit of regret because of it, but not because of the marketing tactic, because I don't know what happened. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you exactly what happened and show that product to you. One day, I was scrolling along on social media, as one does, and I saw a product that seemed a little bit interesting. So I clicked onto it and started reading about it, and I was a little interested in it. I wanted to see more about this product. So I clicked over to the website, and the website had it set up where only a few people at a time could get this product. But you could sign up to their emailing list, and when the product launched, then you might be in the lottery to get this product. So of course I was interested in that. I know my own psychology. One year, my daughter had mentioned something in passing that she'd like to have, but it was a new product and it was selling out everywhere. And I went from store to store to store at Christmas time. And that is not the first Christmas I've done it, until I finally found this product that was only mediocre and that she didn't even care that much about. But because it was sold out everywhere, I had to have it. It is a marketing technique that has worked well through the years, particularly in makeup. And it gets me every time, because if nobody has it, then I must have it. Labubu, anyone know about Labubu? This company took it just a little bit further. And let me explain exactly what happened. So I got on their mailing list. I got in their lottery. And 2 weeks later, they sent me a text saying, sorry, you didn't get into this month's lottery. You won't be able to try this product, but stay tuned because maybe next time. I thought, drats, I really wanted this product that I really didn't want, and stay tuned, I'm about to reveal it. But I stayed on the mailing list, and guess what happened the next month? I didn't get it. I got another text saying, sorry, you didn't get in again. We fulfilled all our orders and you weren't one of them. Just stay on our mailing list and maybe you'll get lucky next time. And I began to think, ooh, I want to get lucky. I gotta have it. I gotta have it. So then the next month, I waited. I forgot about it. And then I got the text, I'm in. You're in. We're going to send you this product that nobody can get their hands on because it's so limited. You want to see what it is? Let's check it out. If you know the branding of this product, you've been suckered like I have, you got to let me know. I can't be the only one. When we open it up, it is an absolute production because they don't just want you to buy it once. They want to keep you buying it. So they're making it beautiful. They're doing everything they can to keep us as customers. In just a second, you're going to see what the product is. If you've never heard of it, put in the comments right now what you think this is. What did I get suckered by? It's perfume. It's perfume. I do love perfume, but I don't love it this much. And look how fancy they've made this. A batch code. We've got a little seal. We've got a cinematic experience. Look at this. And what? Did I get a letter? What's this? Something special just for me? It's like a wedding invitation. It's beautiful. And now here they tell us all about their special perfume that is limited edition that only comes out in this summer, in fact. And only a few of us got it. Now, not only is it a lottery, but it only comes out in the summer of 25. So a select few of us got it. And man, they've got me hooked. Look at this. Every part of it's beautiful. What's in here? I don't know. I thought I was just ordering perfume. But instead, I got an entire experience. This is a little sample. I do love a sample. Let's try this. Let's test this out. A little soapy. It smells a little soapy. Very clean. It smells like my husband just got out of the shower and put his deodorant on, though, really. Very, very manly to me. It's called Barrel Aged in Somerset, England. Organic. That's all I know. And then this looks like you spray the perfume on it and it makes the room smell good. A little disc. I'll tell you what, this does smell really good. It's not my typical perfume, and I probably would pass this on to my oldest daughter who loves this kind of a scent. My husband doesn't wear cologne. And why do we call women's perfume and men's cologne? Tell me. I'm serious. That's a real question. If you know the answer, tell me. Let's see what's in here. Oh, little sampling things. How cool. It even tells you the best way to sample it. Wait 10 seconds and inhale very gently. Fun. Oh, it's an entire experience. I'm loving it more every second. And they know that's what's going to happen. And then a little pamphlet on the best way to use it. And look, even a little quote. That's fantastic. What's in here? Summer tea? It's all packaged beautifully. Every single bit of this is so fun and so cool. I don't even drink tea, but I'm going to drink this because how cute is that? It smells good. It smells like cocoa. Lovely. I am going to drink this. Why wouldn't I? Cute. Okay, let's move on to the final piece of the show. To keep perfume, break seal. So you can change your mind. At this point, you can say, oh man, they got me. I'm returning it. I'm not returning it. I'm keeping it. And then more things so that you're getting an exclusive perfume. They're still preying on your psyche. Dun, 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 dun. This is a show. This is a whole thing. Oh, recyclable material. You got to appreciate that. I wonder if this is one of the kind of things that you can plant and it grows seeds. Oh, could be. But regardless, that is definitely recyclable. And I do remember reading on their website about their products being recyclable, and so you don't feel like you're filling up the planet with non-reusable things. This perfume is called Elodie, which is a beautiful name. That's cardboard, so very easily recyclable. A nondescript perfume bottle, and at the same time, it feels luxurious. The whole experience is meant to feel this way. Okay, it says to fold and apply 2 sprays to the pointed end, so let's do that. I feel like one's enough. Supposed to wait 10 seconds. Are we ready for this? The final show. What we've all been waiting for. But wait a second. I'm going to smell this. I'm going to tell you what I think. And then I'm going to tell you why this worked. You ready? What do you think? Give me a thumbs up if you think this is going to be good. It is. Oh, it is. It smells like a spring day. It's flowery with just a slight breeze of some kind of little yellow flower on the ground that as you walk past, you get a whiff of it. Honeysuckle. It smells like honeysuckle to me. And here's what it says in here. White peach, limonene, don't know what that is, citrus, bergamot, juniperus. That's what it is. It's juniper and a few other things, but that's what I'm smelling. I'm smelling the juniper. I knew it was a flower I was familiar with. I know juniper's not a flower. Oh, that is lovely. This is definitely something that's very summery, and it's light. It's not a heavy perfume. They were right. I got exactly what I expected. I love every bit of this. I got suckered into it. I had a moment of regret, and now, due to the experience of it, I realized that it's exactly what I wanted. They knew exactly what they were doing, didn't they? Has this marketing ploy ever worked for you? Let's have a discussion about it in the comments. It's nothing to be embarrassed about because it's made to get us in. It's made to pull us in. It's made to keep us wanting it. I'm going to link this company for you below. I don't even have an affiliate link. It's just a company I found. So you can go check them out. But be forewarned, they know what they're doing. It works. They've researched the best marketing tactics and they got me. Not the first time. And I'm sure it won't be the last. And guess what? I don't mind. I'm here for it. And you're here for me, so subscribe now. Hey, listen, we're too old to color inside the lines. We don't even care anymore.